pushing the burden forward. I mean, passing the blame from one body to another is procedural, because the preliminary inquiry committee, as established under Section 20 of the Medical Practitioners and Deaths Board Act, has powers. And these powers are: one, it can determine a case. And it would have determined this case if it was purely on the doctors and if they found that the systems were working. But if PIC finds the matter cannot be determined at their level, they have the responsibility to refer to the Professional Conduct Committee. And I'll talk of the composition of the Professional Conduct Committee, because the Honorable Chair also asked me to talk about the composition of the board. The Professional Conduct Committee, which is going to be constituted by this afternoon, will have responsibilities, and the responsibilities are not going to divert. Of course, they are not limited to, but they are the findings of this PIC, which will form the basis of the inquiry. So the inquiry shall not be based on any other thing, based on somebody's perception. They will look at the findings of the PIC and inquire into what went wrong in 78, 74, or number 80, based on this report. So that will be followed to conclusion, including calling Dr. Gidai and Dr. Masinde to sit in the committee, give written statements, and explain exactly when one says there are SOPs, which are in the archives, when another one says there are committees, mark minutes, which are active. So those are the things that we are going to do.